Biomolecular therapy awakens the power of your cells. Known as a micro-organ transplant without the surgery. This therapy targets the cause, not the symptom. After a series of medical tests, each patient gets his own treatment with the specific materials selected. They're given a course of subtle injection or pills containing the macromolecular organ extracts appropriate to their needs. This revolutionary therapy has brought hope to thousands of patients worldwide who have not seen expected results with conventional medicine. Over the past 4 decades, biomolecular therapy has proved effective in such extreme cases as Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, and degenerative diseases. Even patients without a specific disease gain the benefits of overall rejuvenation. Has been approved by the Germany's Federal Institute for Drug and Medical Devices for more than 50 years and is accepted as a legitimate medical treatment in over 60 countries. European clinics specializing in this method of macrobiological therapy. But the majority of patients are ordinary men and women who have been unable to find any relief for their chronic conditions from conventional medicine. Now, without the need to travel to Europe, this revolutionary medical treatment is available for the first time in America through Dr. David Contreras. He's a key member of our medical staff. He has been trained in Germany, and all materials used in therapy come from the famous Thur laboratories. For more information, please contact Dr. David Contreras.